it's been a minute. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. Oh my god, just haven't been on YouTube in so long. I need to do a video talking about why I haven't been on YouTube, but I wanted to drop this heat because I seen this new hairstyle on Instagram, and I wanted to try it, and I wanted to post it up for you guys to see if you like it and give you guys some inspiration on this hairstyle to try it. So don't mind that I'm looking crazy. I already prepped my hair. So with the process of me prepping my hair, I had some braids and some knotless braids, and I ended up just washing my hair with the braids in and giving my scalp a good massage because I wanted to keep the parts of my hair. I didn't want to make the parts myself because it was going to be more difficult, and to make this easier kind of for me, instead of just to keep my old parts that the person who did my hair. And that's like a way for you guys to do your hair too. Like if you want to do like a hairstyle and you're not good at parting and you already have a hairstyle in, wash your scalp really good. Wash your hair really good with the previous style, with the style you have in currently. And then take it out kind of one by one and like, I'm going to explain it. Okay, so I had braids in, I washed it. I ended up taking them out, well, one by one. Taking them out, unbraiding them, and braiding my real hair back down. So that's how I have this right now. I'm going to show you what it looks like when I take this scarf off. Yeah, I ended up taking out each braid individually. I know it sounds tedious, but it's just the way it's going to be easier for me. So just to keep my parts. So I just ended up taking out my braids, each one by one, and braiding my hair back down. It's about 60 something braids I have in my hair. So the hairstyle I'm going to be doing is the Bonita Boho Crush Locks. I'm going to show you guys the hair. So it's basically this brand, Outrehair brand. And yeah, I seen them. It's like giving like Boo knotless braids but with locks. So that's what it really is giving. And I just seen a lot of girls with them, a lot of girlies with them, and they look really cute. And they're 12 inches long, and each pack comes with 12 strands of hair, like 12 individual like locks. So I have 6 packs of this. So yes, I have like 60 something in my head, so that's like 72. 12 times 6, 72. So I'm gonna have enough for these. So my only thing is I bought 1 pack of this hair thinking that I could use it to twist up my whole head. We're gonna see, because I don't know. I literally just bought 1 pack and just want to see if it's gonna work for my whole head, if I could wrap my hair around with just 1 pack of this hair. If not, I'll just buy another pack, and then you know. So yeah, I'm gonna just basically show you how I install them into my head. And yeah, this is like a cheap hairstyle, like an easy kind of cheap hairstyle to do on your own. Even if you're learning, this is an easy way. Like the process that I did my hair, that's like an easy process to like, you know, learn how to do your own locks. So yeah, so I'm just gonna use this. I have this springy Afro twist hair. That's what I'm going to use to wrap, and then this is what I have to my locks. The locks, I'm going to give y'all a close up. The locks, and then the Afro spring twist hair. So yeah, so just give y'all another looky look. So yeah, so that's the hair, and I'm going to show y'all my hair under here. So yeah, these are my braids. Yeah, I just put the scarf on just to kind of make them flat. I don't know if that's really doing anything, but I just just to make my hair still like kind of fresh with me doing my braids, because I did half last night and then the rest this morning. So yeah, I'm gonna show you the process of how I install them. It's gonna be really simple and easy to do. Okay, some things you're gonna need are basically a crochet needle and some scissors to cut up your spring twist hair to make them shorter and stuff. Oh yeah, and a hair tie. So I'm gonna use that to I'm just gonna use that to section off my hair. 'Cause I'm gonna do them. not letting mommy work.
Everybody shut the fuck up. My hair is done. So suddenly, my skin is clear. My appetite is back. And life seems, I don't know, worth living.